So join me for an early evening walking tour. It's just nearly 6 o'clock. I was going to do a little walk this afternoon, but it was nearly 30 degrees today and the wind wasn't about, and it was hot. Now, I did a little review of the Servitor Playa Bonita, which is directly behind me here. And for my last night, you know what? I decided I liked it that much. I'm staying on an all-inclusive basis. Now, I'll give you a little tip about that in a moment. My last hotel was the one next door to it. We'd only moved one hotel down, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you for a little walking tour around this area, and around here are all the Irish bars, or a good selection of Irish bars. So let's go for a little walk, check the Irish bars out, and then we're going to head out to the front and have a little walk around the beach area. So come and join me today. Oh, this was my original hotel here, the Green Park, and right next door is the hotel. It's I think there's 4 or 5 blocks of these things. We've moved it down an all-inclusive basis, so yeah, just a little bit of a change. So I'm just going to walk around this area here. This area here is where they do the market on a Wednesday and a Saturday. I've done a little walking tour of that, so you can check it out in the playlist. So let's pull wide. Well, let's start from here. Time of filming, we're just shy of 6 o'clock in the evening, so a lot of people are just coming off the beach now, or maybe just getting ready. The nightlife hasn't really started. I just wanted to get out, have a walk around, check the place out, see what's going on. Now the Green Garden here, which is directly next door to the hotel I was staying in, is currently being renovated. Now, old deals, this gets really busy later on. Last night I was walking past, got home about 1 o'clock in the evening, well in the morning I should say, and this place was still rocking. So if you want a late night out, this is one of the bars to come to. Quiet now, but gets busy later. I popped in here and had a burger. It was well, yeah, what do you expect to get a burger at 1 o'clock in the morning? It was not the best, but it was edible. So I'm just going to walk around this little area here. It's not a big tour, this. Just showing you what there is, what you can see, what you can expect if you're staying in this area. So it's oh, it was a warm one today. The wind wasn't up as much. And yeah, I can tell you, I was going to do a walk this afternoon, and I thought, no way. It was definitely around the 30s, early 30s, and I thought, without that wind, I ain't doing that walk. So I thought I'd leave my little daytime walk till now, do an early evening walk, and then tonight I'm going to go down to one of the other big shopping complexes, where apparently all the nightlife is. I went out to do one last night, which I've made a video of, and you can see that. Not very busy at all. It was very quiet. But yeah, again, the drinks are all at a good price. You can get 2 beers for €5 or 2 beers for €6. They had karaoke on last night, so if you want to check that video out. Wow! As I say, it's really quiet at the moment. This place does get busy later on in the evening, but I just wanted to get out and get my steps in and have a little bit of a walk around. Well, I suppose it does give you an idea anyway of what you can expect if you're coming out this time of year. Time of filming is I think it's about the 18th of June 26th. If you are coming, this is what it looks like. I'll just stop here and we're going to cut over just over there. There we go. I just stopped. We'll walk around that little corner. So everyone's getting ready now for the evening trade. I've just come away from my hotel pool. Everyone's just drifting away from the pool now, back to the rooms to get changed. Hello. It just does give you an idea of what it's like this time of day. Let's have a little mooch through. If you have stayed in this area before and you know any other really good bars, restaurants, what's good in the evening, why not leave a comment in the comment section below. Just helps people, you know, make plans and come up with ideas of where they want to spend the evening and take a recommendation maybe. So there you go, that's pretty much where we started. So that's just a little walk through of this little centre here, and it seems to be a lot of Irish bars going on. So there you have it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a mooch down to the beach, and I'm just going to show you another little commercial centre down there. Yesterday I did a walk going that way. I'm going to do a little walk going this way this time. I don't think this will be a long video. I'm just highlighting just what's going on and what's here really. So yeah, come on, let's go check it out. We're back here where I started filming, right in front of the hotel where I'm staying at, the Playa Bonita, and right in front, straight down here, is the sea, and that's where I'm going. Just on the way down to the beach, just the roads that run parallel. There are other kind of like stuff going on, bars, restaurants, bike hire, car hire places, so on either side, to the left and to the right. And in the end, just off to the other side, you've got a nice big spa. And one thing I have noticed is the prices in these spas. It's absolutely ridiculously expensive. Just for the cheapest basic stuff. Bit of milk, bit of bread and a couple of biscuits come to like 30 euros. It's incredibly expensive. So directly in front of me here, there's a shopping centre and a shopping area with bars and restaurants. I've done a walking tour of that yesterday, and as you can see the beach is still quite a lot of people on it. So you want to check that video out. That video lasts about 30 minutes and it shows you all the bars and restaurants down that side. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spin around and we're going to have a wander and go this way this time. Just walk through a little commercial area down here, show you what's going on, and then maybe just drop further back into a few of the streets and see what's going on there. So come on, let's go check it out. This walkway's pretty cool. It's nice and flat, and they've left these palm trees up as well, so when you're walking down you can just stop off and get yourself a little bit of shade if you need to. There you go. So the sign in front of me now is telling me it's 27C now. We're on nearly 5 to 6. Yeah, so this afternoon, and you can see there's no breeze. And when there's no breeze, I tell you what, it is hot. Came down here the other afternoon and people were doing music and stuff here. A lady doing hair braiding, and I think there's another guy doing like one of these frozen statue things looking like Merlin or something. But yeah, look at that, hardly a cloud in the sky. Gran Canaria, absolutely beautiful. All your little beaches just dotted around, and if you want to know how you get to them, there you go. Your steps leading all the way down. Along the front here, there's lots of private villas dotted around with pools. It'd be lovely to stay in one of these. And just in front is another small little commercial centre. We'll have a wander through, see if it's open or not. Looks like it's on a couple of different levels. You can get down that way. We'll start up here first. Shopping centre tropical. bar looks like it's just under a refurb at the moment. Yeah, yeah, this is just being refurbished at the moment. La Costa Steakhouse restaurant. Nice view. Oh, there you go. There's a lift so you can actually get down. I might have a mooch down there in a moment. So yeah, it's too early for you. Kind of like in between the people finished the lunches and in between people coming out now for the evening. So it will be quiet now. And I should imagine it will get a little bit busier later on. We've got Elvis on tonight. Let's have a walk around the front. And then what I'll do is I'll go downstairs and have a look at what's downstairs in this little shopping complex. Right, so this looks like it opens up to the main bus terminal. So I assume if you want to go anywhere, you can get yourself on a bus from here. Got a few taxis dotted around. Get your supplies in before you head down to the beach. Okay, so we're back where we started, and we'll head down and we'll get a lift down and we'll see what's on the lower ground floors. And down we go. So this is just one floor down. Have a little mooch around here, so what we can see. And there you have it.
Sí, si lo quieres más dulcito,
So there you have it. That's just a little walk through of the tropical centre there, where of just a few shops and one or two bars. So let's just see what's a bit further down. Still plenty of people on the beach down there, you can see.
Die Person, die die Reservierungen macht, ich mache ja auch das Ticket, ich habe die Tickets. Die Person, die die Reservierung macht.
And just over onto this side. Obviously, you've still got all your hotels that stretch on for quite a way, all the way down. Got your steps taking you all the way down that way. And the last few people just chilling out on the beach. You see plenty of people in the water, so the water must be nice and warm. I've not actually been in the water yet since I've been here. I've been in the pool, but I've not been in the sea. So I might go for a swim tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow's the last day, so I'll do a bit more vlogging tonight and see what goes on tomorrow. So there you have it. It's just a little quick walking video today. I would make more content, but this afternoon it just got too hot and I've changed hotels, so I had other stuff on today. So if you do like this kind of content and want to support the channel, give it a thumbs up to the video if it's been any use to you whatsoever. Wherever I go, I do tend to do these little walking videos now on my travels, so if you click that subscribe button, you'll just see more of my nonsense when my new videos launch, and if you click that notification bell, every time I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Oh, so nearly forgot. So if you actually go onto the Servitor website, the hotel chain, and you have stayed in one of their hotels before, you cannot become a member, and it's much cheaper to book direct through the hotel than through any of the booking sites, because they offer you discounts, they offer you membership discounts. There's a full range of hotels throughout Spain. So yeah, just a quick tip. So nearly forgot about that. So do check out their direct websites, cheaper than the booking site.